At Dajon Interiors, we bring families together in beautiful, functional spaces. Celebrate special moments in bespoke kitchens, create lasting memories in exquisite bathrooms, and enjoy expertly designed bedrooms. Maximize your home's potential with our bespoke cabinets, perfect for alcoves and understairs, enhancing storage and style. Visit our showroom where our professional design team and employed in-house installers will work with you to turn your vision into reality. Enhance your home with our fully fitted bespoke plantation window shutters. If you're a developer or builder, we'd love to collaborate with you and offer superb support and reward services. Explore our range of flooring and wall tiles to complete your renovation. As spatial design specialists, we create unique designs from a single room to entire house planning. Discover the perfect blend of style and functionality, and let us help you create the home of your dreams. Dajon Interiors, creating beautiful, personalized spaces for your family to cherish.